Maybe for many from outside, and for you it might be a surprise. But for us who have been working very hard for the last almost more than 1 year, we are expecting the result as it is. So I would like to thank the people of Mawlai who really showed that they really want change. See, as I've already, throughout my election campaign, I've been telling that the main core areas that we are going to concentrate is education, health. Those are the two things that we are going to concentrate. Apart from that, like I have been saying all this while, that when it comes to the schemes, MLA schemes, it's already there from our side, so we'll try to implement it in the right way, 100% out of 100. So that's all. So many things. It's too early also to to spell out all.
So why do you think the people of Mawlai chose you?
I think you have to ask the people of Mawlai. There's no special strategy, so to say. From our side, we go to the people, informing them our ideology and what are our plans, and the people accept.
So do you think that the VPP will retain its seat in the next 5 to 10 years from Mawlai?
That's what we are going to do.
And what are we expecting from other seats, from other constituencies?
We are expecting there are 4 or 5 constituencies which we are leading, and hopefully we come up victorious. Personally, I think whatever, if the situation arises where we can be part of the government, why not? Because wherever we are going to bring a positive change, whether in the government or if we have to sit in the opposition also. It's not an issue for us. But then it's too early. Let's see. The party will decide.